warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Arhamar A.M.T. My MPM 202055201005 from Informatic Engineering. Okay, in this video I will review the specification of Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin.
This is box of the phone. Before we open the box, let's see behind the box. In the behind, we can see this phone from Indonesia, and this phone have 64 megapixel ultra and 30 watt fast charger. And this phone have Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 2000G processor, and this phone have 6.67 Full HD plus dot display. Okay, let's open the box. Wow, there is thank you note from contractor. I really appreciate this. And this is part of the box. We got the key from the SIM card, and we got the white book from the phone. Yes, you can see. Yes. And this is case, free case from the Xiaomi.
Wow.
Let's see, this is case. And this is the phone from Redmi Note 9 Pro. This is so beautiful blue and wow. Look, this is so beautiful. Okay, I go to turn on the phone. This is Redmi for Android. This is a long time for open. Yeah. Okay, we can see this is many app from this phone, and I got to open the settings, and I open about phone from see our specs from this phone. This the first model Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this phone have RAM 8.00 GB and CPU octa-core max 2.32 GHz. Android version 10. MIUI version MIUI Global 12.0.3 stable and 12.0.3.0. This model phone M2003 G6B2G baseband version MPSS.8.4.4 G2. Camera version 14.117 perf G9 F42476, and internal storage from this phone 128.00 GB. Now I can test the camera from Xiaomi Redmi 9 Pro. This camera so good, and you can see. Yeah, this camera so good. And the second test, I will test some game. Open the game. Maybe we can open the Mobile Legends and see the face phone. So fast. Okay, this game so fast from the phone. And third test, I can open the music from test the music. Now I will open the Spotify from test the speaker from the phone. Let's see where the Spotify in this phone. Spotify. I got it. I can play some music from test the speaker. Okay, we can hear. The bass so good. Yeah. Okay, I'm done with this review and thanks for watching.